Magandang umaga! Here's how we start our day with a touch of Filipino warmth in the Canadian countryside.
Unsa yung tanom dire?
Onions, cabbage, carrots, baggy beans, and tomatoes.
Oh, dayon. Kini unsa dining nasa tunga oh.
In here,
Dili ka na oh, kanang nasa tunga baka na.
these, I don't know. Maybe the tomato.
No?
Carry in the water.
Unsa day mong buhaton?
Water the plant.
Ay, ikaw nagtanom ani?
Yeah. Huwag mama.
Unsa may tawag ani nga buwak?
Petunia.
Ay. Ka very good, good ani among bata oy. Magunsa day kapag dako nimo day?
Doctor
Og
and doctor and a farmer.
wow, grabe jud bay. Aga pink-pink na lagi na imong bulak diha day.
That's because this one is the right one.
Unsa day?
Let's kill this.
Uy, bugat kay na uy.
Okay.
Kalusira na imuhang tubig diha oh.
Okay. I was gonna water the flowers. I water the flowers. So we need my own bucket of water.
So mo ni mong garden.
I need a bucket of water. Even when I fill it up, it's heavy too.
Di mo lang gagmayon good.
Okay. But how am I gonna get water? Swinging?
Nga nagunsa pa jud ka.
Watering?
Unsa imong gitubigan day?
Vegetables
Unsa pa
and
jud?
flour.
Ah, wow, ka very good gud mo.
I think this is not food.
Yeah.
Papa, not me. Papa knows how to get. Papa can get bears. Papa, when you add water on rocks, it gets wet, and in Bluey, you put water on the rocks, and then it gets wet, and then you can draw.
Ala oy tarong diha bas. Sige nagi kapoy nagkawa pa.
What?
Day nga nung ginana man na nimo ang pagbubo.
Cause the roots are not just in one place.
Ay, tarong diha ba? Ana onde pagbubo day?
I just circle it around so all the roots get water.
Kauban mo ni Bear, kamoy pagduwa.
Bear is old, Mama, not young.
Aw.
Chief is young. Bear is older than Chief.
Ah.
He's more experienced.
Bear. Bear. Dili makabalo si mama ana oy. Hi Bear. Gikapoy na kanak. Padulong si Bear.
I don't know. He's over there and I don't know what he's doing.
Kusuga mo dagan oy.